Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, what is the smallest positive multiple of 45 that has only zeros and ones as digits? So first of all, you know that we can write 45 as 5 times 9. So if we do write it like that, then that would basically be, since the number is divisible by 45, so that means it's also divisible by both 5 and 9, since 5 times 9 is basically 45. So if it's divisible by 5, it has to end in either a 0 or a 5, and since we only have zeros here, then our number has to end in a 5. We do not know how many digits this number has yet, but we'll get to that. So it ends in 0. You guys can solve along, just write down a little side note on your book or something, or whatever you're doing it on. Just remind yourself. And it also has to be divisible by 9. And the rule of divisibility for 9 is that all the digits added up has to be divisible by 9. But since we don't have really anything to add here, we're going to have at least 9 ones. And it has to be the smallest. So there's going to be 9 ones. So now we have basically all the criteria we need to make this number. So that's basically going to mean that there are 9 ones. And since it ends in a 0, add a 0 behind there. So that means that it's going to have 9 ones in front of it and then a 0. It's going to be a very big number. Moving on to problem number 2, what is the sum of the digits of the number 10 to the power of 22 plus 8 in parentheses divided by 9? So basically, this problem, you can't really add the numbers in the parentheses yet, because that would make the question impossible and make you want to restart. But there is still a way to do this. So you're basically, since 8 is very close to 9, and 9 is divisible by 9, obviously you'd get 1. We can try to make 8 a 9, and then lift the parentheses after adding it to make it easier on yourself. So basically, what I'm trying to say here is, we could take a 1 from 10 to the power of 22 and add it to 8 instead. So this would be equivalent to, there would be now 22 9s plus 1 from the one that we just took away, plus 8. So this is still equivalent to our original expression. So now we can combine this to get something like this, divided by 9. So now we can lift our parentheses here. If we move this to the bottom, then we'd get, if we divide the 999, if we lifted the parentheses, and we divided the bunch of 9s by 9, we'd get 1, still 22 ones though. If we divide the 9 by 9 too, then you get 1. So now we've got this number equation. And we've still got to add the 1. So then we'd get 1, 1. Now there are 21 since one of them has been taken up by 2. But wait, this is not the answer yet because it's asking for the sum of the digits. There are 21 ones, so that would be 21, plus the remaining 2. So then you'd get 23. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!